All right, Chad has a tool tip for you.
That's right. This goes out to the old school trim carpenters out there. So, you know how you can tell how old someone is by a tape measure?
No, Chad. How can you tell?
All right, so year is 2021. We're going to take the end of our tape measure, put it on 21.
Okay.
Then you ask them what year they were born.
I was born in 1971.
So we're going to go all the way down here to 71. So what lines up with 71?
Wait a minute. Let's get there. 71. What's across from 71?
50.
Oh my God. That's how old I'm going to be this year?
Yep.
Wow.
Chad was born
Jeez.
in 82.
Wow. 82. Let's find 82. Chad is 38 and a half.
Well, yeah, how about that?
Oh, Chad's 39.
Uh-huh. So,
Dang.
in preparation for next year, 22, we're going to move that to 22.
All right, 22. So let's go back to 71. Good Lord, there's almost not enough tape for that. Look at that, 71. What's across from 71, everyone? 51. It does. It lines up. Oh my gosh. And then Chad.
82.
Dang, dude.
Oh my goodness.
You're going to be in the 40 range. Wow.
That's crazy.
Fantastic.
Uh-oh, look, we got new drivers pulling in too.
So, that's Chad's tool tip
Tool tip of the day.
of the day.
Tip of the day.
How to know how old you are with a tape measure.